Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS outline property. And right now, we'll be specifically talking about the CSS outline shorthand property. The CSS outline shorthand property is a shorthand property for setting the following individual outline properties, e.g., outline width, outline dash width, outline style, outline dash style, outline color, which is outline dash color. But I want you to notice one thing right here. The outline style property, the outline dash style property is the most required right here, because if you don't specify it, this outline width and the outline color is not going to work. So this outline style is the one that is going to show the type of outline you want. So we have discussed about the outline style. You can watch our playlist on that also, and also we have discussed about the outline width and the outline color. So we have discussed about this. You can check the playlist for each and every one of these. Let's continue. The outline property is specified as 1, 2, or 3 values from the list above. The order of the values does not matter. The following example shows some outlines specified with the shorthand outline property. The shorthand outline property, we are going to be using it to specify right here a dashed outline. Another one is here, which is a dotted red outline, and another one is here, which is 5 pixel solid yellow outline, and another one is here, which is a thick rich pink outline. So I'm going to be using all this for you guys, so you guys can be able to understand how this works easily. So we are going to be using the outline shorthand property gently. So let me show you something now, so you can see how this works first. Then I'm going to explain it deeper in another dimension, so you can be able to understand it easily. Let's firstly quickly use this. As you can see, this is what we have in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the outline property in details. But right now, I'm not going to be using all these values right here again. Let me remove this. I've removed this from our body element. So we have removed it from our body selector, and also we remove all this again, all this outline right here from our CSS, from our fit set selector. So right now I want to use another shorthand property, which is the main. Firstly, before I do that, let's reload our document and see what we have. As you can see, we are having this border, red border, and this blue border with our fit set. This one is with our body element. So quickly, let me show you what we are going to do now. Immediately we can paste this first. When we paste this, let's just make our document look nice first. Then we can do another thing again. What we can do now is that we can just create p element and give it class of ex1 to 4. So right here, let's just create p dot ex1. If you have been following me along, you should be able to know why I'm doing this. This is just a shorthand. I'm just doing this just so that we can be fast. I don't want this tutorial to get much longer than expected. So let's just do this, and I need 4 of these p elements, which they are going to have different value, right? So this one is the 4th one. So right here now we are having p1, p2, p3, 4. As you can see, this one is having class ex1, ex2, ex3, ex4. So I'm going to save this right now and reload our document. When I reload our document, can you see what we are having right now? But to see what is going on inside it, let's write something there, or let's control it. I'm going to control it this time around. In our previous tutorial, I write something there, but I'm not going to write anything there right now. I'm going to control it now myself. So I just want to add padding. I'm going to add, you can check our previous tutorial on CSS padding playlist, so you can be able to understand how all this works easily. Let's reload our document now. As you can see, we're having 1, 2, 3, 4. Just imagine we're having this this border and this dashed border, dotted border, and we are having solid border, also ridged border. So if you notice very well, we specify just only one value inside this one element. inside this p element that is having ex1, and this second one also is having two property right here. Third one is having two properties. So I'm going to be explaining all this for you guys in deep detail, so you can be able to use this in your document anywhere you find yourself. So your document is not going to have a lot of codes like that. You will just have a query clean something like this. I'm going to be explaining it in the next tutorial. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much.